The chemical sector plays a pivotal role in modern society, impacting nearly every aspect of our daily lives. Primary and intermediate raw materials are transformed into valuable products through a vast array of chemical processes. Chemicals are integral to nearly every goods manufacturing sector worldwide, from plastics to paints, adhesives, and solvents. This deep integration into global manufacturing highlights the sector's immense influence on the global economy. Improving environmental performance here has the potential to positively impact a wide range of human-driven production processes. ecoinvent's database supports activities ranging from the production of basic commodity chemicals to specialized compounds, including agrochemicals, cleaning agents, plastics, and rubber materials.
My name is Daria Dellenbach. I'm a project manager at ecoinvent in the chemicals and plastics sector. I contribute to the operational processes by managing the efficient creation, validation, and integration of data, allowing us to publish a reliable and comprehensive database for the chemical sector.
I'm Iasonas Ioannou, ecoinvent sectoral data manager for chemicals and plastics. As sectoral data manager, I define, develop, and execute our short and long-term strategy for the chemical sector data, ensuring that it reflects the latest industrial developments, market needs, standards, as well as ecoinvent's vision and mission.
Our database includes traceable unit processes with complete documentation, ensuring that every stage of the value chain is transparent and rigorously accurate. This provides a robust foundation for life cycle assessments across diverse industries, such as pharmaceuticals, fertilizers, and machinery. The ecoinvent database covers more than 750 unique products, including more than 450 basic chemicals, 95 types of plastics and rubber, and 83 agrochemicals. While we already cover technologies from multiple geographies, we are committed to expanding the database to better capture regional variations in processes, energy use, and feedstock consumption. Our priority is strengthening collaboration with external stakeholders and enhancing data quality and representativeness. By integrating new data and updating existing information, we ensure the robustness of the database.
With my expertise in lifecycle assessment and process modeling, I support our stakeholders in their data collection efforts and in understanding their environmental impact. What I like the most is to see how ecoinvent is used to make a positive impact in the industry.
We're also expanding our coverage from fossil-based materials to bio-based alternatives and circular innovations, ensuring our users can access the most comprehensive and cutting-edge data.
Our users seek opportunities to improve the sustainability performance of their products. I'm excited to support their efforts by facilitating and broadening the availability of high-quality and transparent data for chemicals and plastics.
By investing in a well-defined representation of the chemical sector value chain, ecoinvent enables more robust sustainability assessments, helping users across nearly every manufacturing sector drive impactful environmental change.